ready to make a difference in people's lives, but don't mind getting your hands dirty to do it? Do you have what it takes to tackle the toughest challenges? Listen up. At Joyland Roofing, we don't just fix roofs. We're the ones who take repairing your home to the next level. From chimneys to leaks and everything in between, we are looking for people to join us. If you don't mind working in heat, cold, and aren't afraid of heights, we have the position that is right for you. We're the ones who show up when others can't, and we take pride in delivering top-notch service. We're looking for those who want to serve on the front line and who want to help make our customers feel secure in their own home. If you're ready to join a team that's tough as nails and committed to excellence, then Joyland Roofing is the place for you.